Let's see how to use if statement in C program. So if statement is one of the type of decision making statements, and we use it with a condition. To give a condition in our program, we use if statement. So if followed by condition in parenthesis, and we open the if block, close the if block, and the statements to be executed we will be writing within the block. So in this if statement, first it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then the if block is executed. But if condition is false, the if block is not executed. So in order to give or provide condition in our C program, we use if statement, and based on the condition result, the decision is taken. So it is also called decision making statement. It comes under the category decision making or conditional statement. So if statement is used for giving or using condition in C program based on condition result, based on condition result, the decision is taken. So if condition satisfies, that is if it is true, then if block is executed. If condition does not satisfy, that is if it's false, then if block is not executed. So this way if statement is used in C programming language. So the syntax for using it is if keyword. If is a keyword which is as it is written, followed by the condition within which is written within parenthesis, followed by the statements to be executed. So if this condition is true, these statements in the block are executed. If condition is false, these are not executed. So I can give here a simple example. If age is greater than 18, so I'm giving here a simple example where I'm using the condition as age greater than 18. So if it is greater than 18, printf passed. So if the age is less than 18, it will be giving you nothing. But if it is greater than 18, it will give you passed printed on the output screen. So let's see it practically in a C program. So to write a C program, I'm starting with the preprocessor directive where I will be writing include stdio.h in order to use the printf scanf functions in our program. So it is a standard input output header file which we are including in our program. Then I'm writing void main, inside which the code to be executed is written. So in this main, I am here using the if statement. So in order to use if statement, first I will be declaring a variable age. Then let's ask the user to enter age. So user will be entering the age. Then to take the input, I am using here scanf. So to use scanf, what type of age you want, that format specifier followed by the address of age. So we will be scanning the age, and then I will be comparing. If age is greater than 18, then it will print, let's print valid, else print nothing. So if it is greater than 18, valid it will print. Otherwise, it will come out of the block and it prints just thank you. So let's first compile it to check any errors. There are no errors or warnings. So if I run it, enter age. So I am giving 15. So it prints just thank you. But again, if I run enter age, if I give 19, it gives valid and also thank you. Now to make it proper, just I'm adding a new line for proper display of the messages. So this slash n will get the cursor to new line. So first compile and run. Enter age. I am entering 45. So it gives you valid and thank you. And if I run again and I enter 15, it gives you just thank you. So if the condition is satisfying or true, then only it is printing or executing the if block. If it is not true, then it is just printing thank you by skipping this if block. It is not executing if block if the condition is false. So this way you can have conditions in your C program using if statement. So for more information on C programming topics and programs, please do subscribe the channel. And also on this channel, you can find other programming languages like Java, .NET, HTML, Python, and others.